Okay, so we're going to do some solving review again. It's always good to practice the skills that we already have. So we're going to review graphing. So again, I'm going to label this equation number 1 and this one number 2. So the slope of this one is m is equal to 2 over 1. The y-intercept is 7 and the point is 0, 7. If I look at the next equation, the slope is minus 2 over 1, the y-intercept is minus 5, and the point I will graph is 0, minus 5. So I'm going to go and put that on the graph. So the y-intercept was 7, I'm going to graph the point 0, 7. So I'm going to go to 0, 7, I'm going to put that on the graph. The slope is 2 over 1, so I'm going to go up 2 and over 1. I'm going to have to go backwards, down 2 over 1, and I'm going to keep doing that. Once I have all the points on it, I'm going to join them together with a line, add arrows on the end, and label the line. Now I want to put the other line on the graph. So I'm going to start at minus 5. And then I'm going to go down 2 and over 1. Down 2 and over 1. And now I'm going to reverse. I'm going to go up 2, back 1. All the way to the end of the grid. And then I'm going to join those points with a line and label it with its equation. And I found the point of intersection, the point where the two lines cross, at minus 3 and 1. Okay, let's review elimination again. So I'm looking at this equation, same one as we did with graphing, and I can see that this has a 2x and this has a minus 2x, so they already have the same number and they have the opposite sign, which I need to be able to add them. So I don't have to multiply these ones by minus 1 like we did yesterday. I can simply draw a line and add them. So what I'm going to do is I'm then going to do y plus y is 2y. And I have 2x plus minus 2x, which is 0. And I have 7 plus minus 5, which is 2. Divide both sides by 2, and y is equal to 1. Now I can pick which equation I want to plug in y equals to 1. I can either pick equation 1 or equation 2. I'm going to pick equation 1, so I'm going to write it down. And then I'm going to take the y is equal to 1, and I'm going to plug it in for y here. So I have y is equal to 2x plus 7. I want to isolate x, so I'm going to subtract both sides by 7. I have 1 minus 7 is minus 6, and it equals 2x. I can divide both sides by 2, and I have negative 3 is equal to x. So therefore, I have the POI is equal to minus 3 and 1, which is the same as we got on the graph.